30 minutes Mango Eat All You Can. All you have to do is to register. So what are you waiting for? Register now.
Yeah, okay, I'm sorry about our registration for the afternoon will start at 1:30. We're trying to see if we can extend.
Alright, so if any one of you have seen an eyeglasses with a light blue frame, no, kindly turn over here in the registration area. Thank you so much. Again, no, if any one of you have seen an eyeglass, no, with a light blue frame, kindly return in the registration area here in the left side. Thank you so much.
Oh, yeah. Oh, mango dinner.
Saan po registration? Saan banda?
Yes, so then I guess our participants for the Mango Eat All You Can batch 4.